Nano Dimension technical analysis, partial due diligence, along with reviewing my current positions and their price targets. Starting off with the price action, we did have this ascending level of support that was validated as far back as January 14th and as recently as the 12th of February, which was the last day of trading, Friday. If you'd like to take advantage of this non-financial advice, this is what I recommend on the pre-market. For $15, you can load up shares there all the way going into the close on Tuesday. The market closed $15.12, all the way down to $15 flat. Those are going to be your entry points. Personally, unless the broader markets dump completely on Tuesday or this week, I do not see this ascending level of support being broken for a couple of reasons. We are going to go over them later in the video. We are trading in this nice bull pennant. Okay, we have a descending level of resistance, 2 validations there, and we have this nice ascending level that has been validated several times. Taking a look at the daily relative strength index really fast, we are looking at 62.72. We're not overbought, really. We're not oversold. We're closer on the overbought side, but we're not really there yet. Taking a look at the Bollinger Bands, this is a good indicator. If you do not know what these are, let me give you an example of what they kind of predict. When you see the red 2 outer lines, when you see them hook out, whichever direction the price action goes, it is likely to follow that in the future. And in this case, this is a good example because it did exactly that. This is not guaranteed, of course. Be careful with these indicators. I like this indicator, not as much the RSI or insider ownership, but I do like it. Right now, we don't really have a clear sign of where we're going to go, but definitely keep this stat up if you can. If you have Webull, it's very easy to do. It's on the indicators. You can just put it up right there. Watch for it hooking out. If we start pushing and it hooks out, that may be an indication to add up more shares. Of course, do your own research and your due diligence, guys. Don't take this as financial advice, but that's pretty much what we're looking at there. But really quickly, let's draw up a price target based on this bull pennant formation. These do not always pan out, okay? These do not always pan out. Remember that. They're not guaranteed. Nothing in this game is, okay? This is just technical analysis indicators to give us an idea of where the price may go. Looking if we did break to the upside on this important day, which is going to be the 25th of February, we are going to have to go to the weekly chart to actually see the price target. That's how enormous it is. Roughly $23.25, that range. Okay, close to a 2x. That's pretty much what we're looking. But guys, we're not just here to pump stocks. Okay, I'm going to give you both sides of the argument always. Let's go ahead and draw up the price target if we were to break to the downside. And in my opinion, that is unlikely for a couple of reasons. Mostly because we are in a bull pennant. Bull is literally in the name, okay? But bull pennants typically are bullish, and we do have a higher chance of breaking to the upside if we do continue to trade sideways all the way up until this important date. Price target to the downside would be $11.55 roughly. Okay, again, I don't really think that's going to happen, but let's take a look at something that I've been seeing a lot of lately, which is concerns about ARK selling. I'm here to clear all those up. Okay, this is ARK Q, Holdings of Nano Dimension, updated daily. Take this chart for what it is. It will be linked if you'd like to go fact check it or whatever. This is the 29th of January. This is when they started rebalancing their portfolio. Okay, people thought they were selling out, they were becoming bearish on it. Okay, as you can see, that's absolutely not what they were doing, because look at the price. Okay, down here, the price is $4. This orange price below the cost average in shares, $4. Okay, recently in a couple months, we're trading now at $15. Okay, that's a 3x. That's more than a 3x. Okay, so they had to reallocate some of their profits off of Nano Dimension into other stocks to rebalance their portfolio, to manage some of the risks as an exchange traded fund. That's kind of what they do. But guys, this is the more important thing. Okay, they have 7.064 million shares right here, right? This is when they start buying and selling. Okay, let's see what they end up with today. This is updated on Friday, the 12th of February. They now have 7.127 million shares, which is more than they had right here. Okay, so they are not selling more shares. They have more than they did. They have more now than they did back when they started selling and everyone was freaking out. Okay, so that is a very bullish indicator in my mind. This is partial due diligence. Read this if you are considering becoming a shareholder. In my opinion, this is a very good Reddit. This is a very good Reddit thread. Take it for what it is, though. Okay, essentially what you need to know, they basically print 3D hardware capable of printing electrical hardware. Main product is the Dragonfly. It can produce printed circuit boards. Okay, you can get all into this stuff. This is a pretty good read, in my opinion. But take it for what it is. Okay, don't trust anyone blindly. Don't trust me or any other YouTube blindly. Do your own research. This will be linked as well. Nano Dimension. This is similar to Bio Nanogenomics. You need to be updated with their Twitter. You need to be following them. checking their page. They do post catalyst. Okay, they posted this a couple days ago, February 11th. Okay, this is what I mean. You'll see this news first on Twitter before you see in the news section on Webull or Yahoo Finance. A lot of the time. Current positions. Okay, this may look a little intimidating, especially if you're new here. Okay, we will have an in-depth video on this coming out soon. But as far as this video is concerned, Nano Dimension, we are currently sitting at $15.23, February 4th close. I posted this video detailing the price targets, which are the exact same of the ones that not including these. These are the new ones, right? They don't even have February 4th close, right? Because they're new. But I posted this video detailing all of this. Okay, all of the March 4th price target, end of your bear and bull case. None of this has changed. Go back, screenshot this, and then go compare it with the last video. Okay, feel free to do that. If you don't trust me, you shouldn't trust me. Do that. Do that just to make sure that I'm telling the truth. Okay, but Nano Dimension, we are currently trading at 15.23. We are up on all of these plays. We are already up. We've already hit a couple of them out the park. Currently, this is what's important right now: buy, hold, or sell. Currently, based on me, this is not financial advice. Do your own research and risk assessment. Based on my assessment, for me, this is a strong buy, in my opinion. It is almost a 10. Okay, this has been beat down. We are almost at a crucial support level. If you can catch it, like I said, roughly $15 to like $15.13. Okay, $15.13 down to $15 flat. That's going to be an extremely great entry point. But watch when you get in. Watch for the bounce off the support. Okay, it can easily break at any time. I can be wrong at any time. Any of these price targets can be wrong. Okay, we've already hit like half of these, right? But any of these can be wrong. Okay, seriously, especially if the market crashes. These are all going to be wrong if we don't recover from the crash, right? But I don't see that happening. I do see a correction possibly happening, but relevant information in regards to the title is finished now. Feel free to click off, my friends, if you have more important things to do. Extra useful information. If you YouTubers who are not scammers or fake, in my opinion, not saying that you should blindly trust them, please understand this. Don't trust anyone on YouTube. Be objective. Make your own decisions. Dead Inside, Trades, Zip Trader, and the one and only Auspicious Descent. Yeah. Okay, this is actually serious. I'm the only one, to my knowledge, to show all of my positions, my account, and my exact price targets for my positions with no ads, no wasting time in the relevant section. This is the irrelevant section that we are in right now. Okay. Okay, probably the only YouTuber that has an irrelevant section. Okay, that's how transparent I am, though. I only want to give you guys the real information when you need it. If you're busy or something, just watch the start of it. You don't have to waste your time with this crap, okay? Seriously. Be careful in the comments, guys. Bitcoin bots, scammers, fake auspicious descents. We haven't got scammers or fake auspicious descents yet, but we do have Bitcoin bots, okay? Let's see if they comment on this one. I bet they will. Clickbait comments, okay? None of my titles are clickbait. I don't think they are, at least. All my price targets are BioNano, $200. Those are real price targets. Okay, I saw someone calling me out on that or trying to. Okay, this is my serious bull case end of year price target for BioNano. Okay, I've given you guys my reasons. Watch my BioNano videos and you will see them. 1 to 2 videos per week on the weekend covering the two most requested stocks, Zomedica and Senseonics. Is that how you say it? I don't even remember. Were this week's most requested tickers. I covered them. If you would like your whatever your ticker that you want to be covered, comment them. The most likes and the most requested will get covered. Instant target prices being hit. Please don't expect instant gratification. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. At least for me, it's not. StopMaster app on phone. This is a great app. Download it. It's got some great information in there, especially with futures and tracking the broader market's futures. Hedging and reducing risk in the market. One way to do that is this bad boy right here. UVXY. This is an amazing stock. This basically allows me to sleep stress-free at night because I'm in all these speculative plays, right? I don't really think they're that speculative. You see my risk, okay? I don't even think any of these are high risk, okay? Because I've done the due diligence. I know the technicals. I know the catalyst. I know the product. I know the business model, okay? So that's why I'm not worried about this stuff. But even to reduce my risk even further, this is basically this has an inverse relationship with the broader markets. If the markets go up, this goes down. If the markets go down, this goes up. The only thing that does stress me out is a market crash or a correction that can pretty much screw all of these stocks and TLRY. But because I've got this is like, I don't know, like 5-10% of my portfolio. I'm pretty much guaranteed, this will literally, based on the last market crash, this went up to like, I mean, hundreds, if not thousands of percent. So pretty much there's a part of me, that wants to see a market crash, but this isn't much of my portfolio, right? So I make more money if the markets go up, of course. I truly do appreciate the overwhelming majority of comments, which are extremely positive. Guys, thank you. You don't understand when I say this. I can't say this in another way, really, but I truly mean it. You guys are amazing down there. We do have an amazing community, and we will be the best community very soon. Please do not hesitate to call me out on something if I am missing something, forgetting something, mispronouncing, whatever stupid mistake that I'll make in the future. If that ever happens, I'm sure it will. Everyone makes mistakes. Call me out on that. Make it clear for everyone in the comments if I do not catch it. Follow Stocks on Reddit and Twitter. Nano Dimension is a perfect example. This will be linked in the description. You are welcome. Free Stocks with Weeble in the description. Pre-market and after hours trading with Weeble. Good luck being an efficient trader without pre-market and after hours trading. Okay, no, but seriously, it is much harder to be efficient without this, in my opinion, in my strong opinion. Comment what stocks I need to cover next. I will cover them, at least in the mega technical analysis video, probably, unless we blow up before then, which is definitely a chance. Open a Roth IRA. This is essential to anyone's financial future, if you ask me. Unless you're going to be a millionaire, then it doesn't really matter, which I will be soon, based on my recent success. But definitely do this, guys. Definitely do this. Weeble does offer this. Comment any questions. I will answer them. The future does not consist of any asking for likes, asking for subs, ads. That is nowhere in the future of this channel. What you can do to make no ads, no asking for likes, subs, Weeble links in the first 5 seconds is support this channel and make the other youth finance YouTubers realize their competition is coming in, and this is going to be the new standard. High quality information with no ads, no BS. Okay, thank you guys so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye, Nano, to the moon.